Hello, everybody, and welcome, I guess. I don't know. Let me turn down my audio. Cause, hold on. I don't want to go. I'm almost done with the prologue. Uh, I'm just almost done with the prologue. The Wheel of Fortune. Free spin. Give me coins. That's fine too. Did I get any trinkets? Hold on. Oh yeah, I got a Nadia trinket. Let me try this. Hi, Ezra. Oh, Belle. I was just on my way out. Glad I didn't miss you. Thanks. Wait, no. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, one, two, three. Oh, okay. What's this? Your wishes are close to becoming realized. Look for good news in the near future. Enjoy all your blessings life has to offer you. Don't allow doubt or worry to darken your bright days ahead. Okay. The present. Ten of the Pentacles. Your financial worries will soon be in the past as you enter a gilded age of wealth and stability. Remember to pass your prosperity on to others in your life, starting them on their journey to success. In future, Nine of the Pentacles reversed. You may have focused too much on living in luxury, letting other responsibilities fall to the wayside. Wealth is not just about how many possessions you own, but the quality of of your relationship with others. Thanks, I wasted my coins. I want free coins. I need 100 coins. Alright. Oh. Oh, I need to start reading. Every lantern with candel- candelabra fills the room with a fierce, ruddy glow. All the light seems trained on one focal point, the massive painting nearly twice the size of my height. The portrait only grows taller, more and more overwhelming as I gaze upon it. Okay, I can't read. There's no mistaking the subject. Count Lucio, in the prime of his life, or perhaps whatever that says by a whatever that says artist. The red of his coat, golden arms, the line fur hanging from his shoulders. It's also lifelike, is it? I can almost see the flush of his life in his cheeks, hear the skull crunch beneath his feet. Go on, touch it. I'm not funny, okay? I'm not funny. A miasma of thick, scorching air pushes my hand towards the portrait. My fingers meet the rich, dense fur, then the cold metal. The man steps from the canvas with the flourish of his cape. His golden fingers curl lightly around my wrist. Well, well, what do we have here? Okay, I'm not gonna do voice acting because I suck. He looks me up and down, his lip curling in a disdainful, disdain, whatever the fuck that says, sneer. Another pathetic peasant comes to beg for a boon. Luckily for you, I'm feeling generous today. Fear not, I, your beloved count, will deliver you from your dreary existence. Red mist pours from Lucio's mouth with every word he speaks. Damn, what's going on? I fills the room, my lungs. I drop to my hands and knees, gasping for air. Pain seizes my chest, slowly squeezing like a vice. When the blood-red haze finally clears, only a single chandelier remains lit, casting twisted shadows in every corner. I groan softly, picking myself up from the plush carpet. Jules? Jules, is that you? I'm thirsty. Get me some water. Lucia's emaciated face peeks out from under a mess of blankets and pillows. His eyes are bloodshot and swollen. The telltale sign of the red plague. I can't read today. Wait, you're not Jules? He feebly picks up a tasseled cushion, throwing it in my direction. But it merely slips from his nerveless fingers, bouncing on the carpet. Who the hell are you, and what are you doing in my room? Stay silent. Background from the bed closely, and the dying man in it. Lucio cackles, feverish red eyes fixed on my face. What's the matter? Got your tongue? Well, I don't even know what to say, but like, just, I know I should have started on the first chapter or something, but like, I just wanted to record me playing it for some reason. His voice subsides to a pathetic whimper. You're all useless. Every last one of you. A hacking cough suddenly racks his body. A fine spray of blood stains the pillows and sheets. Get out, no one can see me like this. He pushes himself up to his elbows, points his bony finger at the door. I hastily step back, but something hard catches my heel. I teeter, my arm spinning. I fall through folds of dusty velvet, face first into a massive bed. Ruined shreds of fabric hang from the bed frame. A thick layer of fine white ash covers every surface. This is Count Lucio's bed, right where he was murdered. Whatever that says. Then there's ash covering me. I clap a hand over my mouth, smothering a scream as I struggle to stand. Going so soon, you're no fun. That voice. It echoes from every corner of the room within my mind. I scramble to my feet and make a break for the door. I sprint down the hall, searching for the vague darkness for any way out. The portrait on the wall stares at me despite their ruined eyes. Come back, come back. The voice creeps ever closer. I can almost feel its hot breath on the back of my neck. Yet against all my good sense, my feet stop, and my neck turns to look back. I only see it for a moment, a silhouette, stark against the ruined and tattered painting. claws, horns, hooves, like an onyx, or whatever you say. The white face of a goat with red eyes gleefully fixed at me. The red claws grow impossibly long, reaching for me through the gloom. In the last desperate attempt to get away, I produced the mirth charm, brandishing at it at the this is just gonna be the worst video that I've ever made about this game, except for the one edit I made of Julian. So yeah, just prepare to cringe. In a last desperate attempt to get away, I produced the mirth, I don't know, the mirror charm, I don't even know, brandishing it at the creature. It shrieks with fury, recoiling from me and dissolving into smoke. The musical sound of falling waters cricket my ears. Cool, blessed evening air stirs my clothes. Something slips from my palm, landing in the water with a soft splash. What? I blinked the sleep out of my eyes. It was still night. I'm standing over a fountain in the palace garden. It was an ancient and willowed tree overhead. Did I sleepwalk from my room? I looked down at the emerald necklace in the water, light catching every glimmering face. Water starts to change, colors blooming, shapes unfolding. Before I know it, my reflection is fading away, and in its place, I see Azra drawing water to his face and drinking sleep deeply. Tall palms sway behind him against a glittering sea of stars. His hair catches the starlight in every wave. Each drop that trickles from his hand sends ripples through his image as it strikes the surface. I'm so shocked to see him that I can only gape silently, afraid that any sign will break the spell. Suddenly, Azra shakes out his hair, blinks the water from his eyes, and looks straight at me. Belle? Can you hear me? I nod, barely able to believe it myself. What is happening? How did I get here? How am I able to see Azra? Azra looks surprised as I am. He leans forward close enough that I can see droplets in his eyelashes. Incredible. He's sitting cross-legged, probably beside a pond. Stars reflect in the water and glitter in his eyes. Belle, are you alright? You look like you just woke up. Woke up, yes. I've been dreaming of the dark hallway once more. I must have been sleepwalking. I had this strange dream. Sorry. And when I woke up, I was standing over the water. I see. But from far away, you are still full of surprises. What do you mean? You were able to call me even from the depths of sleep. Impressive, don't you think? Very familiar snakes. A very familiar snake appears over Azra's shoulder. Boss slithers down his arm and dips her tongue into the water, sending tiny ripples across the image. Boss, you're happy to see Belle too? With a gentle splash, Boss slides into the water. The next thing I know, she's slithering out of the fountain and through the grass. She makes her way out my arm and gives me a gentle squeeze, looking immensely pleased with herself. I turn back to the fountain just in time to catch Azra's laugh. I see how it is, Boss. You'd rather be with Belle than wandering with me. The serpent settles contently over my shoulders. Now that I'm over the shock of seeing her emerge from the water, her presence is an immense relief. I'm glad she's here, and I'm glad we get to talk, Azra. Azra smiles faintly, his cheeks flushing. See a willow tree behind you. Are you at the palace? I nod and launch into telling him everything that's happened since we parted. More his eyes glimmer with keen interest. Unbelievable. The day you needed me, the day I left was the day you needed me the most. And even then you didn't really need me at all. It sounds like you've been handling yourself quite admirably. Still, I'm glad Foss is with you. If anything strange happens, I'll know. I can live with that. Where are you? He looks across his shoulder and at the sparkling, swirling galaxies overhead. He smiles relaxed. A place inside me. Who would have reached that you'd be able to reach me here? Your magic is inescapable. I think you'd be able to follow me all the way if you tried. I sigh and shake my head. He didn't really answer me. No? Foss slides off my shoulders to touch her nose in the water. You're right. Foss is opening up to me. It may be time for me to do the same. I nearly choke. My face might be a sight because it makes him laugh, high and unrestrained. No, really, it's true. I want to start being more honest with you. Okay, guys, like, this is becoming 16 minutes, so I guess I'll do a continue video tomorrow or something. So, I guess I'll see you later. Bye, guys.